Pluto's path was bound to cause issues from the start. Pluto's orbit intersects that of another planet. Pluto, the mysterious and diminutive planet located in the farthest corners of our solar system, has become a hot topic in astronomy. Recent updates suggest a potential collision with Neptune, raising alarms among scientists and space enthusiasts. Renowned figures such as Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku have expressed concerns regarding the potential consequences of this celestial encounter. But how did Pluto end up on a collision course with Neptune, and what might this galactic clash mean for Earth? Join us as we explore the details of how a massive event with Neptune might have occurred and why scientists are troubled by this cosmic anomaly. Pluto, once celebrated as a full-fledged planet, underwent a dramatic reclassification as a dwarf planet, largely because of its erratic orbit. Despite this downgrade, Pluto continues to fascinate and spark curiosity within the astronomical community. Recent warnings from prominent scientists such as Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku have suggested that Pluto's path could cross that of Neptune, implying a potential risk of collision with serious consequences for our planet. Pluto's journey around the Sun is extraordinary due to its unique characteristics. Its orbit is exceptionally long, taking a massive 248 years to complete. Since its discovery in 1930, Pluto has not yet finished a full revolution around the Sun. What makes Pluto even more intriguing is the extreme elliptical shape of its orbit, a stark contrast to the nearly circular orbits of the major planets. Additionally, Pluto's orbit is tilted at an angle of 17 degrees relative to the ecliptic plane, resulting in a steeper incline compared to the paths of the other planets. This combination of inclination and its elongated orbit adds complexity to its motion. A remarkable aspect of Pluto's orbit is its repeated intersection with Neptune's orbit every 20 years. Pluto's path brings it closer to the Sun than Neptune, which challenges what we would expect from their relative positions in the solar system. Further exploration reveals that Pluto's orbit is far from a perfect circle. Instead, it follows an elliptical or oval path, meaning that its distance from the Sun varies significantly throughout its orbit. At its closest point, Pluto comes within roughly 30 astronomical units from the Sun, but at its farthest, it stretches to over 49 astronomical units, nearly double the distance of Neptune from the Sun. Moreover, Pluto's orbit is inclined at an angle to the orbits of the other planets, adding another layer of complexity to its relationship with Neptune. This inclination plays a vital role in how Pluto and Neptune interact. When their orbits cross paths, their gravitational forces tug at each other, gradually altering their trajectories. This dynamic between Pluto and Neptune highlights the interconnected nature of the solar system, with each planet exerting gravitational forces that influence the movements of others. Over the years, technological advancements in observational instruments have allowed astronomers to track Pluto's movement with more precision. This has led to a better understanding of its orbit and its potential impact on the overall stability of the outer solar system. Although the likelihood of a direct collision between Pluto and Neptune remains low, the possibility is still under scrutiny. Ongoing monitoring continues, as the potential consequences of such a collision could be dramatic. Despite Pluto's small size and its distant location, it continues to be a subject of fascination for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. A key question that arises is why Pluto hasn't collided with Neptune already. The answer lies in the gravitational influence of other planets. From the moment Pluto was discovered, astronomers have been trying to understand its path. Unlike most planets, which maintain a consistent orbit along the ecliptic plane, Pluto's orbit stands out with its steep angle and elliptical shape. The mystery deepened when it became clear that Pluto's orbit crosses Neptune's. Despite this apparent danger, Pluto's orbit remains remarkably stable, demonstrating the sophisticated mechanics that govern space. Studying the interactions between Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun presents a considerable challenge for astronomers. Predicting their movements involves a deep understanding of how they influence each other's trajectories. To navigate this challenge, scientists rely on terms such as ASMU libration, latitude libration, and VSOP and Steves and Kaplan isolation to solve this cosmic puzzle. ASMU libration, for example, is essential in maintaining the stability of planetary orbits. When Pluto crosses Neptune's path, it remains at least 90 degrees away, preventing a direct collision. Latitude libration ensures that when Pluto nears Neptune or other large planets, it is positioned above their path, reducing the likelihood of a crash. The VSOP oscillation, named after scientists von Zipper, Steves, and Kaplan, explains why Pluto's orbit appears unusual yet remains stable over time. Even though space seems chaotic, there are underlying patterns that help maintain order. These patterns are responsible for preventing Pluto from colliding with Neptune or significantly altering its orbit. The concept of orbital chaos, which describes how a celestial body's trajectory is highly sensitive to its starting position, is clearly demonstrated by Pluto's orbit. Even small variations in Pluto's position or velocity can have profound effects over long periods. Scientists employ advanced computer simulations to model Pluto's interactions with other bodies in space, such as Neptune, and to explore the consequences of even minor changes in its trajectory. In the late 1980s, these simulations uncovered something fascinating. Despite the apparent stability of Pluto's orbit, it can still behave unpredictably. A tiny alteration in Pluto's starting point or velocity could lead to significant changes in its orbit over time. However, even with these uncertainties, Pluto's orbit remains stable for billions of years, suggesting that despite its appearance, it follows an underlying order. The unpredictability of planetary orbits, such as Pluto's, makes it difficult to predict long-term changes with certainty. These models require highly precise initial conditions, as even small errors in data can produce vastly different results, making accurate predictions incredibly challenging. Understanding Pluto's orbit is essential, particularly when considering the potential for a future collision with Neptune. This knowledge contributes to a broader understanding of how our solar system operates. Pluto's orbit serves as an example of how seemingly chaotic paths can ultimately reach a balance, guided by the forces of gravity and motion. It is vital that we continue to observe and study these celestial mechanics to gain a better understanding of our place in the universe. Pluto's orbit offers a perfect illustration of the unpredictable nature of space. Pluto's orbit is unlike that of the other planets, with its oval shape leading to unpredictable encounters with Neptune. This irregular motion makes it difficult to predict the long-term dynamics of the system. However, gravitational forces play a crucial role in keeping Pluto and Neptune from colliding. Gravity, a force that attracts objects to one another, ensures that despite their intersecting orbits, the two bodies remain apart most of the time. These interactions reflect the delicate balance of forces at work in space. The possibility of a collision between Pluto and Neptune, while improbable, would be a monumental event with significant consequences. Such an event would drastically alter our understanding of the solar system. Though space exploration has advanced considerably, Pluto's orbit serves as a reminder of the many unknowns that still exist. Scientists continue to study Pluto's path to better understand how large planets influence its motion. This knowledge is crucial for understanding the intricate relationships between celestial bodies and how their movements can impact one another. Despite the unusual nature of Pluto's orbit, some of the world's leading scientists, like Neil deGrasse Tyson, have speculated that Pluto could one day collide with Neptune. Tyson, a prominent astrophysicist, views Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet as a necessary step, acknowledging the importance of continued exploration and study. He believes that Pluto's strange orbit underscores the fact that there is still much to learn about space and the forces at work within it. According to Tyson, the mysteries of space are what makes studying it so captivating, and he encourages others to engage with the fascinating complexities of celestial mechanics. Tyson, along with other experts, is concerned about the potential dangers posed by Pluto's unusual path. If a collision between Pluto and Neptune were to occur, it could have catastrophic consequences for our solar system. The release of energy from such an event would be immense, and the debris scattered throughout space could have far-reaching effects, potentially even impacting other planets and moons. Neptune itself would be affected, and its orbit could be altered, further complicating the dynamics of the outer solar system. Renowned theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, who is known for his work in string theory, also provides valuable insight into space exploration. Kaku believes that studying phenomena like Pluto's orbit is essential for understanding the broader principles of celestial mechanics and theoretical physics. He suggests that the study of Pluto's interactions with Neptune can help scientists navigate future space missions more safely. Kaku also emphasizes the importance of understanding gravitational forces in the context of space exploration, as they have the potential to shape the future of how we explore distant worlds. Kaku's work in string theory, which seeks to explain the fundamental forces of the universe, aligns with his interest in Pluto's orbit. A collision between Pluto and Neptune could offer valuable data that would contribute to our understanding of gravity and spacetime, areas central to string theory. Although such an event would have minimal direct impact on Earth, it could provide a unique opportunity to study the behavior of fundamental forces in extreme conditions. As scientists continue to explore the depths of space, the unpredictability of planetary interactions becomes more apparent. The study of celestial dynamics, such as the intricate gravitational relationship between Pluto and Neptune, offers valuable insights into the fundamental laws of the universe. By continuing to monitor and study these phenomena, we move closer to understanding the vast and complex nature of the cosmos. The gravitational dance between Pluto and Neptune highlights how even distant planets can influence one another. These celestial bodies exert gravitational forces that, over long periods, can shape their orbits in subtle but significant ways. While a direct collision remains unlikely, the possibility cannot be entirely ruled out, leading to ongoing interest and observation from the astronomical community. Scientists believe that understanding these forces could one day allow them to predict and potentially mitigate the risks posed by such cosmic events. One intriguing aspect of planetary motion is how seemingly random or chaotic interactions can lead to stable, predictable patterns. This phenomenon is particularly true in the case of Pluto, whose orbit might appear erratic but is actually governed by precise gravitational forces. These forces help prevent Pluto from colliding with Neptune, despite the apparent overlap in their paths. The delicate balance between the gravitational pull of other planets and the orbit of Pluto keeps the dwarf planet on a steady, though complex, course. Understanding this intricate relationship is essential for advancing our knowledge of the broader solar system. As scientists continue to study the unique characteristics of Pluto's orbit, they also look toward other areas of space exploration. The study of systems like the TRAPPIST-1 system, which contains multiple Earth-sized planets, helps astronomers learn how gravitational forces between planets can lead to orbital resonances and, in some cases, increase the chances of a planet's path becoming unstable. Though the TRAPPIST-1 system is not currently experiencing any collisions, scientists remain vigilant, tracking the movement of planets in these crowded environments to better understand the risks and how they might evolve over time. Meanwhile, astronomers are also focused on understanding the behavior of rogue planets, which wander through space without being bound to a star. Pluto's unique orbit continues to fascinate researchers, offering valuable insights into the complex dynamics that govern our solar system. One of the most intriguing aspects of Pluto's path is its interaction with the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune that is home to numerous icy bodies and dwarf planets. The Kuiper Belt is a remnant of the early solar system, and Pluto's orbit brings it in close proximity to many of these distant objects. Understanding how Pluto interacts with the Kuiper Belt is essential for gaining a clearer picture of the solar system's formation and evolution. Pluto's orbit is also influenced by the presence of other celestial bodies in the outer solar system. The gravitational pull of Neptune, for instance, not only shapes Pluto's orbit but also has an impact on the trajectories of other objects within the Kuiper Belt. Scientists have long studied the intricate relationships between Pluto and its neighbors in space, using advanced simulations to model how their gravitational forces interact. These simulations help astronomers predict the long-term stability of objects within the Kuiper Belt and offer insights into the future behavior of the solar system. The study of Pluto's orbit also provides clues about the early solar system's chaotic nature. During the solar system's formation, it is believed that the giant planets, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, moved through space and scattered smaller objects. This process, known as planetary migration, likely had a profound effect on the distribution of matter in the solar system. The gravitational influence of these giant planets may have caused some objects, like Pluto, to be pushed into their current orbits, while others were sent on entirely different paths. By studying Pluto's orbit, scientists can better understand the forces that shaped the solar system billions of years ago. Another significant factor in understanding Pluto's orbit is the role of the Sun's gravity. While the Sun's influence is relatively weak at such a great distance, it still plays a crucial role in shaping the orbits of objects in the outer solar system. Over time, the Sun's gravitational pull exerts a subtle but important influence on Pluto's motion, affecting the eccentricity and inclination of its orbit. This interaction is just one of many forces that contribute to the overall stability of Pluto's trajectory. The ongoing study of Pluto and its orbit is not just important for understanding our solar system, it also has broader implications for space exploration. As humanity prepares for future missions to distant worlds, understanding the behavior of objects like Pluto and their interactions with other celestial bodies will be essential for planning safe and efficient missions. Knowledge of gravitational forces, orbital mechanics, and the complex relationships between planets and moons will allow astronauts and space agencies to navigate the vastness of space with greater confidence. Moreover, studying Pluto's orbit can offer a glimpse into the potential for finding life on other planets. By understanding how planets and moons interact in our own solar system, scientists can apply these insights to exoplanetary systems. The gravitational dynamics that govern Pluto's orbit may share similarities with those found around distant stars, shedding light on the potential for habitable environments beyond Earth.